Hello everybody, my name is Elliott and welcome back to Advective Weather. Today we're going to be taking a look at Typhoon Mawar. Mawar has become a quickly strengthening typhoon, the first typhoon of the season. The storm should make its closest approach to the islands of Guam and Rota in about 2 days. Highly dangerous impacts are expected in the southern Mariana Islands. Even if a direct landfall does not occur, it is highly likely that destructive winds and storm surge will impact several of the islands. Those in the southern Mariana Islands, particularly Guam and Rota, should begin preparation as soon as possible. This is a dangerous storm, and it is the first strong typhoon to move through the area since probably 2018 when U2 moved through, so if you haven't already begun preparing, it is a good time to do so now. Taking a look at the current information. As of 0 UTC May 22nd, Typhoon Mawar was located at 9.1 degrees north, 147.3 degrees east. Maximum 1-minute sustained winds are 85 knots per the Joint Typhoon Warning Center estimate. Maximum 10-minute sustained winds are 70 knots per the Japan Meteorological Agency estimate. The JMA also estimated a minimum central pressure of 975 millibars. Taking a look at the setup, Mawar is likely rapidly intensifying at the moment, with vortical hot towers wrapping around the formative eye quickly. As you can see on visible imagery, there are hints of an eye, and you may not have seen it on the infrared imagery back here. However, visible imagery is very good for seeing formative eyes, and there are vortical hot towers wrapping around that sort of eye-like feature very quickly, so it is likely that this will develop into an eye. The thermodynamic environment will remain favorable for the foreseeable future, with sea surface temperatures of 28 to 29 degrees Celsius along the track of the storm over the next week. And shear has decreased significantly, leading to a favorable dynamic environment. Mawar may tap into a mid-latitude jet streak in several days after passing through the Mariana Islands, which would provide it with a lot of upper-level divergence, which is very favorable for continued strengthening at that time. Taking a look at the official forecast, the JMA strengthens Mawar into a very strong typhoon with 10-minute winds of 100 knots and a pressure of 925 millibars by the end of the forecast period. And when it does pass through the Mariana Islands, the JMA also expects Mawar to pack 10-minute winds of about 90 knots, which also means it is a very strong typhoon at that time. Taking a look at the models, you can see the GFS and the Euro both indicate that it will pass through the Mariana Islands and become a very intense tropical cyclone after doing so, and the GFS does take it to Category 5 strength. And guidance does suggest that Mawar is likely to slow down as it approaches Taiwan and the Philippines. However, there is quite a bit of uncertainty as to the path at this time frame, so we will keep you posted on that in future updates. Taking a look at the models in reference to the storm, as you can see, all three of the models do take them through the Mariana Islands, and the HWRF does bring it actually over the northern Mariana Islands of Tinian and Saipan. However, there is a southward shift in the model guidance in general, so I do think it's probably better to assume that Guam and Rota may be under the gun for the eye wall winds. What can you do to prepare? Always follow official guidance for making decisions. For Mawar, the Japan Meteorological Agency is the regional agency issuing the advisories. The JTWC also does issue unofficial updates. If unsure of what to do for your area, always consult your local officials to know the specific risks in your location. Thank you very much for watching. It would be great if you liked and subscribed. It really does help out the channel. And we also do have a Discord server, so feel free to join that. You can chat with myself and the other staff members, and it's a great time, so we do recommend you join that. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next update.